Pranam, prayers for all of you. Wish you wonderful energies. 5 asanas you will be learning today, and these asanas, they will help you to prepare your body for good sleep. Sleep is very important. If you are able to take good rest, you can plan for your next day. And sometime when we miss this, when we are not able to sleep properly, we harm our body. These 5 asanas, they will help you to prepare for good sleep. Let's start. First asana, the way how I'm sitting right now, this is Sukha asana. So first asana is Sukha asana. So fold your legs in this way, bring your hands out in Prapti Mudra, body straight, back straight, close your eyes and just be in this position. This is Sukhasana, posture for happiness. So perform this asana for 3 times, and timing, it's completely on you. You can hold for 10 seconds, 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Stay in this position and then very slowly, gently open your eyes, come out. This is your first asana, Sukhasana. Second posture is Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. So you fold your legs, you come on your knees, you are sitting on your calf muscles, hands out on your knees, again back strong, neck strong, head straight, close your eyes. Breathe slow, inhale, hold, exhale. You are breathing with your nose, then inhale, hold is with your lungs, with your chest. So inhale, hold and then exhale. Duration for this asana is on your capacity. For how long you can hold, that much you should do. You can start with 10 seconds, 30 seconds, then slowly go for 1 minute of practice, 2 minutes of practice. This is Vajrasana. Spend some time in this asana and then let's proceed to the third asana. Lie down on your stomach, very slow, both legs together, join them on mat, hands with your shoulders. Very slow, inhale and lift your upper body. Then you can close your eyes and relax here. So breathe while going up. This is inhale and then hold your body here. Exhale, come down. You are doing Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. This is your third asana. One more time. So at least 5 counts in one set. Like that you can do 3 sets. Exhale, bring it down. One more count. Inhale and maintain your body on stomach, not to lift your stomach. Then look up. You can close your eyes or you can keep your eyes open. But if you close, you will be able to focus on your breath. Now very slowly come out from this asana. Going to the fourth asana. Fourth asana is Adho Mukh Svanasana, downward facing dog. Both legs together, hands strong on mat. So you can see the fingers, you need to spread your fingers so that your wrist is safe and strong. Push your body to the back side, head in between of both the hands, look down. Again, to build your focus, you can close your eyes and see how that breath is flowing. Inhale, exhale. Very slowly come out. 0. Breathe slow. Breathe and relax. Now the last posture, Pad Uttanasana. You need to lift your legs up. So lie down first on your back. Relax with your body, hands down sideways. Rest here. Then lift your legs up to sky. Strong back. See the leg, knees, your heel point up, toes towards you. So without support, you need to hold this posture. And keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, both. Very, very, very slowly bring your knees down, bring your legs down, relax there, calm down. One more time, lift your legs up, toes towards you, heel point up, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Relax. Turn to the right side very, very slowly and come up. Again, come back in Sukhasana. Rest your body here. And calm down. So you did 5 asanas for your purpose to give good sleep, good rest to your body, and to prepare your body to rest for that calmness. Practice these 5 asanas, each asana for 3 sets, and the timing is completely on you. It's your capacity, but minimum at least hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And once you get command on asanas, then you can go for 30 seconds. You can go for 60-second hold. More you hold, you get more. Your body becomes more powerful. My best prayers for your practice. Pranam.